Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my weekly cleaning routine. So basically everything that I'm doing in this video I only do once a week. So I start off my weekly cleaning by washing the sheets. I take all the sheets off of the beds and I put them into the washer. I started off by taking the sheets off of our bed, and then I took the crib sheet out of Owen's crib and I was going to wash that with our sheets. And then I actually didn't get a chance to wash Kyle's sheets today, so I'm just gonna have to do that tomorrow. The next thing that I only do once a week is cleaning the mirrors. So today I cleaned the mirrors in both of the bathrooms and the big mirror in our bedroom. I usually end up having to wash this window once a week because it's the only window that's at the kids' height, so they're always looking out this window and Owen's always putting his mouth on it. And then I did some dusting, and I only dust a couple of areas once a week. I dust the whole house once a month, and some weeks are busier than others. Some weeks I don't have time to do any dusting at all, but if I don't have time to dust anything, I'll try to at least get this desk dusted just because this seems to get dirty the quickest. The next thing that I only clean once a week is my stove top. Now, of course, I wipe this down when I wipe down the countertops every single day, but as far as giving it a deep cleaning, I only do that once a week, and I use this Ceramic Bright cleaner, this sponge, and then this like scraper knife thingy, and these items will get your stovetop looking like a brand new stove. I get stuff burnt onto my stove, and it isn't looking so great by the end of the week, but after I give it this cleaning, it looks like a brand new stove, as you can see here. Next, I will vacuum all of the carpet in the whole house, and today I was able to vacuum the whole house except for Owen and Kyle's bedrooms. I will just have to do their rooms on another day. And then lastly, I will clean the bathroom floors, sweep them, and give them a quick mop. Then I got the sheets out of the dryer and I put them back on the beds. Thank you all so much for watching, and that deal from Grove that I talked about in my last video is still going on. You can still get all of that free stuff, so I will put the link for that and all of the details down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye!